East Sepik LLG elections to proceed. Governor Allan Bird demands accountability. The East Sepik Provincial Electoral Office has confirmed that elections will proceed as scheduled on Saturday, the 27th of September 2025, with polling materials already distributed across the 28 LLGs. Security support from the 2 RPIR is in place, while schools and exams will continue without disruption. While election officials and administrators highlighted the urgency of restoring Provincial Assembly, Executive Council, presidents, and ward members, the real spotlight has been on East Sepik Governor Allan Bird. Governor Bird has criticized the government's handling of LLG elections, pointing to administrative incompetence at both national and provincial levels. His concerns have sparked national debate and highlight key issues. Constitutional challenges. Bird has challenged an amendment shielding the Prime Minister from votes of no confidence for 18 months after a failed motion warning. This undermines democracy and accountability. Election mismanagement, chronic funding delays, and logistical failures by the PNG Electoral Commission have disrupted timely elections, raising questions about competence. Governance concerns. The deferment of LLG elections reflects poorly on administrative leadership, weakening representation for ordinary citizens. Leadership in crisis. By standing firm, Bird has proven he is more than a provincial leader, has shown the decisive leadership qualities of a Prime Minister in waiting. 490 presidential candidates and over 2,000 Ward Councillor candidates are contesting across the 28 LLGs and 667 wards. East Sepik now leads the way in restoring constitutional order, with Governor Allan Bird's firm stance reminding the nation that democracy and accountability must never be compromised.
As a deputy governor, we must talk too. Some are thinking we will discuss it, some are not discuss it. Never put him in favor of the election. If we put it in election, we don't see people crying in our eyes. This protest you are making today, you are representing 312, 38, 39, 35, 24, 21. I don't know me, no more. And I commend you and I support you guys. This must be the last one. Allan, me don't be protect you.